So everyone with these cars probably knows, like, the only people that make a splitter specifically designed for this car is Maxton Designs, and I ordered mine from them like 8 months ago, and I'm still waiting for it to ship. They keep pushing it back. The next delivery date, it says, is like August 26th, and I'm like, I'm not gonna wait anymore. And then I saw someone on eBay, or not eBay, on Facebook, had a they had a splitter on their car, and it wasn't the Maxton. I was like, whoa, where'd you get that from? That looks pretty good. And they said it is just a 3-piece one I got off of eBay. And I was like, wow, I might have to try that out. Oh, I think it does. I think it does feel like that. So they had a gloss black one, and then I saw this one for like 20 bucks more. It's a carbon look one, and I guess you can say it looks like carbon fiber. I've definitely seen better fakes, but that's what we're working with. From far away, I think it'll look fine. So all I'm gonna do is just use self-tapping screws, self-tap the middle piece up, and then self-tap the sides up, and we'll see how it looks on the end. It's definitely gonna be a short video, but figured I'd show you guys. Bonds of bricks because it's so low. It's the only way I can get the jack stand to fit. But just a little update on the car. I haven't taken it to the drag strip yet, but it has run an 11.65 with a 2-second 60-foot on draggy. And the reason I can't get past the 2-second 60-foot, I figured out, is because the clutches are actually slipping in first gear. I'll show you a video of the car launching now. As you could hear / see, it's acting like it's spinning in first gear, but this is all-wheel drive, and I have the Haldex locked to 50/50, so it's definitely not spinning that much. But yeah, that's where the car sits now, so let's get to putting this splitter on. Okay, so I like halfway put the screw in, so now I'm gonna go over to this side, and I want to screw both of these in with one screw to like minimize the amount of the self-tappers going into the bumper. It's on, guys. It was kind of a pain in the arse, but put the middle on, got that aligned perfectly, and then I put the sides on. So yeah, let's lower it down and see how it looks. Honestly, guys, do I like it? This piece was like not long enough to where I could pull it out farther. So like I had to tuck it in pretty far, so I don't know. And then where this like overlaps right there, looks pretty I don't like it. I think I'm gonna rip that off. It just like tries too hard. I'm gonna show you guys how. I'm gonna show you the full install here in a second. It's pretty durable. Damn. Yeah. What the fuck? Centerpiece? It's so freaking flexible. Yeah, you can't lie. This shit is durable. Double flip. And then I can fold it 7 times like a piece of paper. Yeah. Fuck. God damn it! Thanks for watching. I guess I'm just gonna have to wait for that Maxxon splitter. Do not buy the universal one. It just looks cheap because it is cheap. And if you put it on your car, everyone's gonna know that that you didn't spend enough money and that you're a racer. But thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one because we will have hopefully the new clutch packs in this car and be able to run very, very low 11s. Probably like 11.3. It's not that very. But yeah, thanks guys. See you in the next one.